Alright, here we go. Oh jeez. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god. Oh yeah. Going to see Cedar Trail here in Banff, BC. That's not right either. Banff, BC. What's the name of this trail? Cedar what?
Cedar trees, large cedar trees.
It's a name. I don't know what the name of this trail is. Cedar Tree Trail. Nobody wants to answer any questions here. I've never been here before. Ever. How long do you think the walk is?
I don't know, about 2 hours.
Yeah, it's gonna be a 6-hour walk. Everybody's complaining.
Our family is so grumpy today.
Yeah.
It's the long weekend. They're just like freaking out about everything.
Yeah,
I'm
make
the
sure
only
your
one happy.
head's in the video, not
I don't care where my
go
head
right
is.
up like this. Well, that was fun. Short little walk. Got to see some cool trees. What'd you think?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
The trees weren't as big as I thought they'd be though.
We're back to Costa Rica, it looks like. But we're in Canada.
Yeah. We're driving up a mountain in Salmon Arm and it's really narrow and really bumpy. And we're gonna do some hiking up here, but it's crazy drive. Hey?
Yeah. Oh!
That's what we do. I don't think this section is good for our car.
Alright, they're going in the truck. We're parking our vehicle on the side because it looks like there's a couple spots we're going to bottom out on, so we're taking the truck the rest of the way. Huh? Alright, I'm getting in. We're up at the top of the mountain here in Salmon Arm and up by the phone tower, and we've met some base jumpers, so they've asked us to video them, so maybe we'll get some sweet, awesome video. Maybe not.
You just gotta get rid of the bad thoughts. Hating others cause you know that they got a lie. Forget that though, you got plenty, you're alive in this life. You got time, go get it. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, I can't think straight, need the light. Oh, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, I can't think straight, need the light. Oh.
Hopefully it turned out.
Terrifying. Oh
Yeah,
my god,
there's
I
a
would
cliff
never
right
do
here.
that in my whole life. Right off the cliff.
And we used to race mountain bikes, so I guess
Yeah,
everybody's got some fear.
It looked really cool though. Once I got out there with the parachute, it was.
Now that the excitement of watching the base jumpers is over, we can start our hike at 2,900 feet up.
Oh, we're making our own trail here. This isn't really a trail. I don't know where Alice and Mike is taking us, but looks interesting. How is this a trail? Oh. Do you see a trail? I see shrubs.
Right here, that's moose poop.
Oh no.
What happened? You cut yourself? Rip pants. We got rip pants on the trail. Oh, this is reminding me of my young days. Just go bushwhacking and camping in the bush. I don't know if I miss it or not. My son is practicing for brain damage. Hey, we were up there yesterday. That's crazy high.
We've mountain biked all over the world, and all this time I never knew Salmon Arm had such nice mountain bike trails. Is there anything you can't do here?
at you climb now. Look at that. You gonna get through there? Oh, woohoo! We're gonna do some mini golfing, kind of. It's a putting green in Salmon Arm. See how it goes. I'm gonna go first.
I'm gonna go first.
No, you. Last place, 5 shots.
After a really fun time mini golfing, we decided to go see the famous Salmon Arm dock. It's supposed to be amazing.
I don't know if you can see that right there. That's an off spray. It's huge. We're done in Salmon Arm, and another great time in Salmon Arm. I can't believe how much there is to do here. We've come here 3 times now in the last year, and we've done different things every time. Can't wait till the next time. I wonder what else we're gonna do. It's awesome. All right, checking out. We're off to doing the roller coaster in Revelstoke, just on the way home from Salmon Arm. He's pretty excited.
If you use no brakes, apparently it's only 4 minutes. So my time will be like 12 minutes.
Myself, I've always stayed the same. No doubt, I've always played the game all out, and I am here to stay right now. So don't call it a comeback. I ain't running here to stay, steady gunning, do my thing. I don't look the other way, I stare that motherfucker straight. Don't care what they say, nah, everyone's the same. Don't get caught up in their games, just pick a lane.
So what'd you think? Yeah? Did you get scared at any point? No, not really?
At some points it felt like it was going to come off because it kind of like shakes you. You think that the track is bent.
Yeah, that's right. Totally. What did you hear the one guy said? The fastest someone's gotten is 98 kilometers an hour.
Holy crap.
I've been in Alberta, BC my whole life, and I've never stopped in Revelstoke. I always kind of thought it was meh. But it's such a cute town, and it's got some good food and good coffee, and I'm going to be coming back here again. It's pretty cool. Down at the Modern Breakfast and Cafe in Revelstoke. Gotta come down and check this out. This is good stuff.